Oh, it's gonna be a pain in the butt. This is part 2 of our kitchen cabinets. I bolted down our kickstand. I used 3-inch L brackets to hold them to the floor, making sure they're as close to the wall as possible and as flat as possible. So there it is. This is our first cabinet going in. It'll probably need to be trimmed up just a little bit. Right now, I'm getting the vent in. Got the hole cut. It's all primed. It's what I'm going to do, I'm going to glue this side, put a good bead, and then drill and screw from the inside to pinch it in. Alright, going to put this in, making sure to not touch the glue. Slide it in. That is the correct way. Start on this side. The reason I'm squeezing on the wood is because there is a little lip on the other side. Now we are going to drill. Beautiful. Perfect. Now it's gluing. There we go. I'll show you what it looks like on the outside. That's what it looks like. That's all going to be painted over. It looks like. So everyone, we are putting in our edge banding for our cabinets. I have this one laid down. Typically what you do is you take your edge banding and a iron, just like a regular clothes iron. You're going to use this and you're going to run that down the length of your cabinets and cover the plywood. So you're going to lay it down the length, make it a bit longer so I can rip it. Run your iron over top of your edge banding. What are you doing?
We are putting down our first paint of the entire bus project, which is white. Yeah, I'm so excited.
Since the last part of this video, from the last clip to this clip, it's been a while. Things have changed, but today we are continuing our cabinets and this needs some updates. So this is the front right here. So if we rotate it to the back side, we cut out a notch here so that the vent in the roof can vent to the refrigerator. Another thing we need is a upright that will seal the refrigerator out from the inside. Now this isn't super critical, but it is important I somewhat get it right. So I know it looks a bit terrible. The edge is there, but it's gonna be all caulked in once I put it in. And I forgot to hit record again. There it is. Now I just need to do a couple measurements on the bottom so I can get some tacked on the bottom. Beautiful. So this is what I'm talking about. See how that's the change from here to here. That's frustrating. So really make sure you get your cabinets all straight and make sure you double check the measurements. Now, moment of truth. Let's see if I can get the refrigerator in there. So, screw this. Oh, it's gonna be a pain in the butt. It's a bit of a disappointment, but we're gonna have to redo a refrigerator box. What I'm thinking is just cut a little bit higher for our upper shelf says it's not really load bearing. That should solve our refrigerator box. It does not fit, which is super unfortunate. I thought it would because I was measuring from somewhere and it didn't quite measure correctly. But I will see you in the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe for that fix of our box. Thanks for watching.